Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a favorite skincare product kind of video. So I'm just going to be showing you guys my current skincare products that I'm using daily, my favorite skincare products, all of that good stuff. So I'm going to go through them individually, tell you guys a little bit about them, what I use them for, how I use them, why I like them, blah blah blah. We'll start off with how I use them in my routine. So we'll start off with cleansers. I love this cleanser. It is the Murad Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi-Cleanser. So it's a gel to oil cleanser, so you put it on with a dry face. It's best to take your makeup off before using this. This is not a cleanser to take your makeup off with. So you take your makeup off, put this on your face while your face is dry, work it in, and then you're gonna add water and you'll find that it turns to an oil cleanser. It's really good for sensitive skin, doesn't irritate your skin at all, and it also helps to hydrate. So it says on the back of the bottle that it helps to remove makeup, but I found that it's not good at removing makeup at all. But it does replenish your skin with the prebiotics in it, and you can use this morning and night. Another cleanser that I like to use is this Obagi cleanser. This is the Obagi exfoliating cleanser. So it has a little micro beads in it that exfoliate your skin. And they're not the kind of beads that are like the plastic beads that are bad for the environment or whatever it is. But I absolutely love this cleanser. I've had it, I think, for 6 months now, and I'm still on the same bottle. So you use like the tiniest bit and use it all over your face and rinse it off. I use it in the shower just so I can get all the beads off. But you can use this morning and night. I use it just usually when I take a shower, so like every other day, just so it doesn't dry my skin out. Those are pretty much the only two cleansers that I use on a regular daily basis. I do have a couple others in here that I can share with you guys. Another one that I have is this Jamarini cleanser. It's a bioglycolic face cleanser, which looks like this. So it has a glycolic acid in it, which gives you a tingly sensation when you use this. You also use this on dry skin. I'm not a huge fan of this cleanser. I mean, I haven't used it a lot of times, but I do have it here. And then this other one that I have is another Obagi cleanser. And this one is just the gentle cleanser, so it doesn't have any beads in it. I forgot to mention this one, the exfoliating one, smells so good. And then this one's just more of it's like a soapy foaming cleanser. So this one's okay. It's definitely not one of my favorites though. And then let me pull up prices for you guys so I can tell you how much everything is. This one's $36. The Obagi exfoliating cleanser, $32. I guess it varies depending where you buy it. So from the actual like Obagi store, it's $39. And then the Obagi gentle cleanser, it says $43 online. And the Jamarini, it depends where you buy it. So it's around between $39 to $40, I believe. Okay, so next, after I cleanse my face, I usually use either a serum, like corrective serum, or I'll go in with a mask if I feel like doing a mask that night or that day. So the mask that I've liked using recently is this Basha mask. This is the Tsubaki Splash Mask. It comes in this purple box. And it looks like this. So basically this is just a really concentrated, it's instant deep hydration treatment. So my skin loves this. Basically you can use it as a mask or you can use it as a serum. So as a mask, you just get some water in a little bowl, you put 1 to 2 pumps of this in there, mix it together and splash it on your face. If you're doing it just as a serum treatment, you can just put 1 to 2 pumps on your face and leave it. So I do like this a lot and it smells really good. And I actually got this at Marshall's for only $10. The other one that I like, and this one's more of a treatment, is from the brand called The Ordinary. It's like a peel. This is the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. So it helps to kind of like renew your skin. So basically just gives you a new layer of skin, like your skin looks completely new, rejuvenated. It feels so much better after I use this. And it's really cool because it's like so dark red and it looks like blood almost. It's really cool. It's $7.20. Super affordable, full-size bottle. So let's move on to like treatments and serums. So I have this hydrating serum from PCA Skin, around $80-ish depending where you buy it. But basically, it's just a serum you can put on morning and night, and it helps to keep the hydration in your skin. I like this because here in Florida, my skin's super dry, so I love this serum. And then I do have this 100% cold pressed virgin marula oil from the Ordinary brand as well that I like to use. When I feel like my skin's getting a little bit dry, I'll put a little bit of this oil on before I go to bed. You can also use this anywhere else on your skin and in your hair. This one's $9. I have this Ren Clean Skincare. It's this clear, calm, non-drying acne treatment gel. It's 0.5% salicylic acid, so it clears acne. You can use this as a spot treatment, or you can put it all over your face. And I actually really like this. I got this sent free to me in the mail, but you can buy it at Sephora, but it really works. Like, you put it on at night before you go to bed, and it's like the spot you put it on is almost gone in the morning. So this works really well. I have this little bottle of this Proactive Skin Purifying Mask in here as well that I use sometimes if I have a spot that comes up overnight. I was using it before I had this Ren skincare one, just as a spot treatment, and it worked okay. Like, I didn't see a huge difference. Like, maybe if I used it a few days in a row, I could see an improvement on any like acne spots on my face, but not like this other one. A lip scrub. This is from a brand called See Me. We sell at work, but it's just a sugar lip scrub that I use whenever my lips are a little bit dry. Those are pretty much all the treatments I have in here, so we can go to moisturizers. This is the Murad Essential C Eye Cream. So it has vitamin C in it to help brightening, and it also has an SPF in it. Has caffeine and retinol. And then, so I just use a little bit of that in the morning. And then this is my SPF that I use every day. This is a Jan Marini SPF. This is SPF 33. So I use this in the morning before I put my makeup on as my moisturizer and SPF to protect my face. The last moisturizer I have in here is this one from Murad. This Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I put this on at night just because it has advanced hyaluronic acid, coconut extract, and it helps to provide 24-hour hydration to your skin. So it's a really good overnight moisturizer to help soak all that in overnight. I was using it for a while, and then once I got some new stuff, I haven't used it. This is from PCA Skin as well. This is a collagen hydrator. So it helps to promote collagen production in your skin, and it's also going to help to moisturize. Prices on these, this one runs, I believe, $20. This Ren acne treatment. This Proactive is just the sample size. Hydrodynamic from Murad, $75 for a full size. The little lip scrub that I have, I believe, is $12 where I work. Jan Marini runs about $50-ish, $53. And then the Murad eye cream, $70. Skincare can be expensive, but it's better to start early so that later in life, it pays off. When you're doing your skincare routine, this is a good tip that I have for you guys. Make sure you're not leaving out your neck and your chest, because that's the first place you show signs of aging, besides your hands. Make sure you are including that. Those are pretty much my basic everyday go-to products I know that I like using. I'm gonna post a picture on my Instagram with the LIKEtoKNOW.it app link, so that way you guys can screenshot it and shop the products directly from the screenshot. And I'll try to link some of them in the description box as well. But if I don't, just head over to my Instagram and I'll have them all linked there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.